Disneyland. You come to my house and we'll go to Disneyland, okay?
He likes getting taped.
Oh, I don't.
She's right. There she goes. I have to find. Okay, found Maddie.
I found me a good.
Hey, look at you.
Here's my guy.
Oh, hey, I got you. Oh, wait. Hi.
Hey, put the salsa music
Hey,
on.
you gotta come home with me. Yeah. I'll take you to Disneyland. No, I was. Oh, yay.
Hi.
Oh. Who's doing that over there? Is that Bubba?
Uh-huh.
Where's Bubba? Where's she at?
Come on.
Oh. Does Bubba make you happy? Look.
Now, look at the resemblance.
Oh, look at the family there, right there. Oh, look at her. That was my Bubba.
Bubba.
Come on.
She said she makes funnies. Look, oh.
Here, where's Angie? Where's Angie?
Hey.
Bye.
Nikki, look. Hi. Bye. Bye.
In the picture.
You're gonna come with me? Bye.
Did you?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Bye.
You didn't get it home.
I didn't get Aunt Holly. Okay, tell me where she is. Where is she, Brian? Where is she? Ah, there she is. I found her. Good going. Good going.
Should we get you to sing?
I was gonna say.
Oh.
You want to sing?
Gene, get him with Nikki now.
Do you want to sing for Aunt Jean?
You gotta sing
We
for
love
me.
when people sing. Why don't you sing Don't Take the Girl?
You know that song. Oh, put me on the spot.
Oh, look, she liked that one. You like Don't
There
Take
you go.
Do you like Don't Take the Girl?
Yeah, I like that song.
Oh, one's away.
That's nice.
I know that one.
Why don't you sing Don't Take the Girl for Aunt Jean?
I don't know that one no more.
Yeah, you do.
Oh.
Brian's
Yes,
dad is
you
taking them
do.
fishing.
I don't know it.
Oh, okay. So
You
what do you
don't?
want to-
Okay.
Which one do you want to sing?
I want to sing All in One's Away.
All right, I like that one. Okay.
Where should I go?
Sit right here.
You want
Here.
a rocking chair?
Here. Sit right
No,
there.
right in front of the TV is good. Okay, right there. Okay.
Right
So
here.
you gotta face me.
Yeah, sit right
Oh,
here.
good. Okay.
I just want to get a little more out of my payday. Find me on a car that doesn't break down on the freeway.
Ooh.
Little vacation, ain't asking very much.
Oh, that's.
I ain't coming home to this old broken down apartment. I wish I had a dime for every hole that's in the carpet. I don't want it all, but I ain't got enough. And all I want is a life. To drink from a glass from a well that ain't dry. Sick of the crumbs, I want a piece of that pie. All I want is a life.
Oh.
Oh, we're
You
not.
are good.
The hours in the pain that comes from working. But it's enough to kill me when I see my baby hurting. Gonna give her that diamond I never got to buy. She keeps telling me that everything is getting better. But when step up the road and someone knocks me off the ladder, I just want it.
Oh, good. Wow, that is.
I just want to. I forget that.
That's okay. Go on, just hold it.
Wait! Forget it!
You've got to make me a tape and send Aunt Jean the tape, okay? I'd love to have that on tape.
I
Look
can
at her
start
leg
over.
going
I
to
just
his,
forgot
her
that
brother
part.
singing.
Go! I forget that one.
Oh, that's good. You did so good.
You did good, Brian.
But kill frogs.
Boy, that's
Matt likes Morty
All Maddie
Stewart.
does is kill frogs.
Sing that
You
song.
killed
You're
frogs.
Morty Stewart.
You like Marty Stewart?
Here, Brian, get in.
Yeah, that was one of Uncle George's favorite singers, Marty Stewart. He really liked him. Which is the song that you like?
Touch me, turn me.
Muse. I like that. Oh, I like that one.
Let me think of that.
Okay.
Love you.
All right, Nikki.
Dang it.
Put out the door there and show them the trees that knocked down here.
Oh. Yes, it was Bubba.
This is what me and Nikki does all the time.
Oh, look at her. Bye.
Shoes on, get in there.
I'm glad it stopped raining. I haven't been in a storm like that for a while.
Wherever you see it, yeah, look how it's
Yeah.
Nope, down, down, down.
Those
Our
are
cherry, our poor cherry trees.